If you've ever felt your mind racing, chest tightening, or stomach in knots, you're not alone. Anxiety affects millions of us daily, but relief can begin with something as gentle and simple as a warm cup of herbal tea. In this video, we'll explore 3 herbal teas that naturally calm your nervous system, support emotional balance, and taste absolutely amazing. Welcome to WIN, Wellness You Need. Helping you feel better naturally, one video at a time. Today, we start our Tea Tuesdays, where every sip is a small act of self-care. This is a weekly series that explores the healing power of herbal teas. Each episode features one calming blend, its wellness benefits, and how to prepare it with intention. Encourages simple, soothing rituals rooted in nature, perfectly aligned with WIN's channel focus on natural healing. There's something sacred about a simple cup of tea. In this space, we slow down, steep something warm, and let nature remind us how to heal. Let's begin. Chamomile has been used for centuries to ease the mind and relax the body. It contains apigenin, a natural compound that binds to specific receptors in the brain, helping reduce anxiety, calm nervous tension, and support better sleep. When you're feeling overwhelmed, restless, or unable to switch off at night, chamomile creates a gentle sense of ease without grogginess. This tea is especially helpful if your anxiety shows up as irritability, tight muscles, or difficulty sleeping. Here's how to make it. Boil 1 cup of water. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried chamomile flowers or 1 tea bag. Cover and steep for 5 to 7 minutes. Strain if needed. Optional, add a slice of apple or a drizzle of honey. Enjoy warm, 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Here's the herbal tea recipe. Enjoy! Before we steep the next cup, let's talk about something quietly powerful inside your brain. It's called GABA, short for gamma-aminobutyric acid. Sounds complicated, but here's what you need to know. GABA is like your brain's natural brake pedal. When stress or worry speeds things up, GABA slows everything down. It helps you feel calm, centered, and in control. And some herbs, like lemon balm and passionflower, support GABA activity naturally. That's why they're so helpful for easing anxiety, lifting your mood, and promoting deeper sleep. Lemon balm is like sunshine in a cup. It's part of the mint family, and it naturally supports GABA in the brain, the neurotransmitter that helps calm your nerves and reduce anxiety. Lemon balm helps with daytime stress, mental fog, and mood swings, giving you clarity and emotional steadiness without making you feel sleepy. It's especially helpful when you feel scattered, snappy, or overstimulated. Here's how to make it. Bring 1 cup of water to a boil. Add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon balm or 1½ teaspoons dried. Cover and steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and enjoy warm or chilled. Optional, add lemon zest or a slice of fresh ginger. Perfect for your afternoon pause. Here's the herbal tea recipe. Enjoy! Passionflower works deeper, especially when anxiety shows up as racing thoughts or sleep trouble. It boosts GABA too, helping quiet the brain, lower cortisol, and bring the whole nervous system into calm. Passionflower is ideal for chronic tension, insomnia, or overthinking, especially when it's hard to wind down at night. Here's how to make it. Boil 1 cup of water. Add 1 teaspoon of dried passionflower, leaves and stems. Cover and steep for 10 minutes. Strain thoroughly. Optional, add lavender or cinnamon. Best enjoyed 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Here's the herbal tea recipe. Enjoy! To recap, chamomile relaxes and prepares you for deep rest. Lemon balm brings clarity and calm during stressful days. Passionflower helps you truly unwind and sleep peacefully. Anxiety doesn't have to define your day. Even one small ritual, like a cup of tea, can shift your entire state of mind. Let's take one breath together. Inhale, exhale. You're doing better than you think. Let this cup be a reminder. Healing doesn't have to be hard. It can be warm, slow, and steeped in intention. The ritual of tea. Tea is more than a beverage. It's a ritual, a small, sacred pause in the rhythm of your day. From the sound of water beginning to boil, to the moment the herbs release their color and scent. Making tea invites you to slow down, to breathe, to listen. It's an act of care for your nervous system, for your thoughts, for your body. Each step, scooping the herbs, pouring the water, holding the warmth between your hands, grounds you in the present. And in a world that moves fast, these tiny moments of stillness are not just nice, they're necessary. So whether it's chamomile at night, lemon balm during a hectic afternoon, or passionflower to soothe your heart, let your tea be a reminder. You deserve peace, even in small sips. If this ritual resonates with you, share it with someone who needs a pause too. And as always, thank you for making space for wellness you actually need. If this video brought a little calm to your day, consider subscribing. We're here each week with wellness you actually need. Which tea will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Until next Tuesday, keep sipping, keep softening. You're doing better than you think.